All right, Module 3, Lesson 8, Similarity. So if I ask you if these two shapes are similar or not, it seems like each year I get some people that say yes and some people that say no. Similar shapes have the same basic shape, but not necessarily the same size. However, do they have to be oriented the same way on the paper? No, they don't have to have the same orientation. In other words, this mushroom cloud is rolled to the side, this one is on the top. That doesn't matter. Okay, so these two are similar in shape. Yes. Okay, they are similar shapes. Now, when we're looking at similar shapes, one thing that we sometimes need to do, if we're going from the smaller shape to a larger shape, our scale factor has to be larger than 1. So if I take this number and I multiply it by 3, I should get my new image. So 2 in my pre-image times 3 my scale factor gives me 6 for my new shape. Now, if I'm going the other direction, if I have my larger shape, my scale factor would be 1/3 to go backwards to the smaller shape. So going this way, if my scale factor is 3, going this way, my scale factor is 1/3. So if I take 9 times 1/3, I would get 3 for my smaller shape. These two numbers are reciprocals of each other. So we want to use the reciprocal scale factor to go the opposite direction. So what is the reciprocal of 2/5? Flip it upside down, 5/2. What is the reciprocal of 3/7? Flip it upside down, it would be 7/3. What's the reciprocal of 1/2? Right, it would be 2/1, which is really just 2. What's the reciprocal of 5? 5 is the same as 5/1. The reciprocal would be 1/5. So you're going to need to use reciprocals to go back the opposite direction. So if you know the scale factor going one direction, to go the opposite direction with the shapes, to go back from the image back to the pre-image, you're going to use the reciprocal for the scale factor.